So today I'm going to show you a quick way how to make a room spray. What if you don't have all these things to make a room spray? And you just want a quick and easy room spray. It lasts you for about 2 weeks. So this is the way you'll do it. I have these bottles already, they wash. So I will just use this water here, distilled water, and we are going to fill it up. About that. And we're going to be using French lavender. And I'm gonna go ahead and put about 15 to 20 drops in here. You'll go ahead and shake it. Just shake it. Give it a shake. And I mean, your room spray is ready. This can last you for about 2 weeks. Depends on how much you want to use it. I also use it in the car as well. And you can also label it. Whatever oil you put in, just label. Thank you.